Hello students, welcome to the another lecture. Now we are in this lecture we are starting exercise 2.6, that is about multiplication of decimals. So as we have learned the multiplication of two decimal number or multiplication of one decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, we did all these in last lecture. Now we are doing the questions related them. Let's start. Solution of first. Find, you will have to calculate the value of these products. So first is 0.2 multiply 6. So as I told you, there is two methods for the multiplication of decimals. Like in first method you can remove the decimal, or you can convert the decimal number into a fraction, then you can do the multiplication, and after that you can convert your result which you got, you will get in fractions. You will have to convert them into decimal again. Let's do it. So it is the first method. Like first of all, remove the decimal and convert the decimal into the fraction, like that. 2 by 10, it is 2 by 10 multiply 6. Now you can do the multiplication simply. 2 multiply 6 by 10, that is 12 by 10, and when you divide 12 by 10, it is 1.2. This is the answer. Or there is another method like that. 2.6 multiply 0.2 multiply 6. In this method you will do multiply simply. 6 2s are 12, and there is decimal after one place, so decimal will come after one place in your answer. It is quite easy or simple method, so we will use this method in next questions. Let's do 8 multiply 4.6. Just forget the decimal and multiply these numbers roughly. Like 46 multiply 8, there is decimal. So first of all multiply the number. 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 4 are 32, and 4 36. So this is the answer, and there is decimal after one place, so in answer decimal will come after one place from the right side. This is the answer. Third part. Let's do the third part. 2.71 multiply 5. 2.71 multiply 5. Just do the simple multiplication of terms of numbers. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 3 carry, 5 2s are 10, plus 3 is 13. So decimal is after two places here, 1 2, and there is no decimal in the second number, in the second term. So just see the first decimal number there. Decimal is after two places, so in your answer decimal will come after two places from the right. 1 2, this is the answer. Very easy. Just do the multiplication simply. 20.1 multiply 4. 20.1 multiply 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 0 0, 4 2s are 8. I did simple multiplication. Then I will check the place of decimal, which is just after one place from the right. So in the answer it will come at the same place. This is the answer. Let's do the next sixth part. 0.05 multiply 7. 0.05 multiply 7. So I will do the multiplication simply by 7. 7 5s are 35. 0 I will write as it is. So now there is decimal after two places from the right, so in answer it will come after two places here. This is the answer. Fifth part is done. Let's do the next part of this question, sixth part, which is 211.02 multiply 4. 211.02 multiply 4. 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 0 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. I did the multiplication. Now I will check the place of decimal, which is after 2 places from the right. So in answer it will come at the same place after 2 places from the right. This is the answer. Sixth part is done. Let's do the seventh part. In seventh part, it is the last part of this question. 2 multiply 0.86. 2 multiply 0.86. Do the simple multiplication. 0.86 multiply 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 8 are 16 and 1 17. 1 carry will come here. And there is decimal after 2 places, so in answer it will come at the same place. So this is the answer. Answer is 1.72. You will not write just answer, you will have to show the calculation. So consider it as fair working, not rough working. You will multiply like that and you will show the answer. Question number 1 complete हो चुका है. Let's do the next question. Question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So let's solve. Length of a rectangle is equals to 5.7 centimeter. Now breadth is also given, that is breadth of a rectangle is equals to 3 centimeter. We will have to calculate the area. So what is the formula for area? Formula is area is equals to length into breadth. Just do the multiplication of length and breadth, that is 5.7 multiply 3. Centimeter will come here too. So 5.7 multiply 3. 3 7s are 21, 2 carry, 3 5s are 15 and 2 16 17. Decimal will come at the same place after the 1 place from the right. It is 17.1. And now I will write the unit, which is centimeter square. 1 centimeter is here and another centimeter is here. So the unit of area is centimeter square. आपको यूनिट लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So always write the unit when you write the answer. Unit of the answer is just depend on the unit of the question. So here length and breadth both are in centimeter, so area will be centimeter square. Question number 2 is completed. Let's do the next question of the same exercise. Question number 3. Find. You will have to calculate the following products. First, let's solve the first. It is very easy to multiply by any decimal by 10, 100, 1000. It is very easy. You will have to change the place of decimal. Just change the place of decimal. No need to do long multiplication. No need to show any calculation. Just change the place of decimal. So here multiply by 10. When you multiply a decimal number by 10, because there is only 1 0 in 10, so your decimal will shift one place to the right. Now decimal is here, so in answer decimal will shift one place to the right. It is 13 point. पहले 1.3 था, 3 के पहले था, एक प्लेस शिफ्ट होकर 13.0 हो गया. Then very easy. Let's do the second one. Again just write the number which is here, and now you will have to mark the decimal. So there is only 1 0 in 10, so decimal will shift one place right. This is the answer. Next is 153 decimal 7 multiply 10. Third part. So another question is, it is also same. Decimal will shift one place to the right from its initial place. Let's do the next one. 68.07 multiply 10. When you multiply by 10 to a number, you will get the number as it is, but the place of decimal will shift to the right by one place. Just write it. सो ज़ीरो से इस साइड था, ज़ीरो के लेफ़्ट साइड में था, अब ज़ीरो के राइट साइड में हो गया, वन प्लेस डेसिमल शिफ्ट हो गया है. लेट्स डू द नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ पार्ट इज़ 31.1 मल्टीप्लाई 100. 31.1 multiply 100. Now there is 20 in 100, so decimal will shift 2 places to the right. It is here, so one place is this and another place, because there is only one number, so I will write 0 like that. तो डेसिमल शिफ्ट हुई, यहाँ थी पहले आपकी, तो यहाँ से पहले वन प्लेस यहाँ जाएगी, फिर आंसर में यहाँ जाएगी. तो डेसिमल हैज़ शिफ्टेड 2 places. So answer is 30 like that. 3110 decimal 0. This is the answer. Let's do the sixth part. Sixth part is 156.1 multiply 100. 156.1 multiply 100. जब आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, there is again 20 in 100, so decimal will shift 2 places to the right. There is only one number at the right side of decimal, so I will write 0. सो 50 यहाँ पर थी, तो वन प्लेस यहाँ शिफ्ट हुई, सेकंड प्लेस के बाद यहाँ शिफ्ट हुई, तो आपके आंसर में डेसिमल यहाँ पर होगी. नॉट देयर. इट इज़ 5610.0. दिस इज़ द आंसर. लेट्स डू द सिक्स्थ पार्ट. इन सिक्स्थ पार्ट 3.62 multiply 100. 3.62 multiply 100. अगेन डेसिमल 2 places शिफ्ट होगी, या तो इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 2 places शिफ्ट करने के बाद, और आप इसको 362 भी लिख सकते हैं. मीन्स आप डेसिमल को रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज डेसिमल के बाद तो कोई नंबर नहीं है, देयर इज़ जस्ट 0, सो यू कैन राइट इट एज 2, विच इज़ ईजी फॉर यू कैन डू सो. Let's do the eighth part. Eighth part is 43.07 multiply 100. 43.07 multiply 100. So multiply by 100. Again decimal shift to the by 2 places to the right. So this is your answer. 4,307. 4,307.0. Ninth part. Ninth part is 0.5 multiply 10. 0.5 multiply 10. Again in 10 there is 1 0, so place of decimal will shift one place to the right. This is the answer. अब डेसिमल के राइट साइड में आप 0 लगा सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो नंबर, यू कैन राइट 0 1 0 2 0, डजेंट मैटर, बट आप ऐसे कहीं बीच में 0 नहीं लगा सकते और लेफ़्ट साइड में आप 0 नहीं लगा सकते. अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे तो नंबर की वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी. यू कैन डू इट ओनली. 10th पार्ट इज़ 0.08 मल्टीप्लाई 10. 0.08 मल्टीप्लाई 10. Again decimal will shift to one place to the right. This is the answer. 11th part is 0.9 multiply 100. 0.9 multiply 100. 0 will shift 2 places. 0 9 1 place, 2 place, then decimal. So decimal यहाँ थी और यहाँ पर शिफ्ट हो गई, 2 places शिफ्ट हो गई. 0.03 multiply by 1000. 0.03 multiply by 1000. Now there is 3 zeros in 1000, so decimal will shift by 3 places to the right. So now decimal is here, so अब shift होगी, ये कहाँ पर आएगी, 1 2 3 places के बाद, like that. As there is only 2 number, तो 2 नंबर हैं तो थर्ड नंबर पर मैंने 0 लिखा, फिर मैंने डेसिमल को शिफ्ट किया. Question number 2 is done. Let's do the next question. Question number 4 of the same exercise. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. So first of all I will note it down like distance covered by two-wheeler in 1 liter petrol. 1 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 km. How much distance it will cover in 10 liter of petrol? So distance covered in 10 liter of petrol is equals to, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, आपको 1 लीटर के लिए गिवन है और आपको 10 लीटर के लिए फाइंड करना है. वेरी इजी. जब आप 1 का गिवन होता है, कुछ भी 1 और मोर के लिए आपको फाइंड करना है, तो आप प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. तो जस्ट डू द मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. देयर इज़ 1 0 in 10, so the decimal will shift to 1 place to the right, so it will be 553.0 kilometer. This is the answer. Question number 4 is all done. So let's end the video. We will do question number 5 in next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.